Over to you.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm Alan Carroll. I'm Chief Cartographer at National Geographic Society. It's been my great pleasure, our great pleasure, over the last couple of years to work with Lori and her colleagues at NatureServe on a project, really exciting project, with the modest goal of increasing the scope and effectiveness of land conservation in the United States. So we built an application that Lori's going to show you that is intended for an audience of committed conservationists, but not for hands-on GIS people, but to empower them with really rich data and capabilities that essentially give them tools that in the past might have been limited more to a professional audience. So, Lori.
Okay, thanks, Alan. So if I can, within the 4 minutes and 27 seconds remaining, I thought I would try and run through a whirlwind tour of the top 10 ways to put LandScope to use. So, as Alan mentioned, LandScope is the conservation guide to America's natural places. It's a resource for land trusts, conservation groups, state and local government, and federal government, and the public. So number one, you can test your conservation knowledge in topics like Open Space 101. There's a wealth. I can't even get into showing you all the informational material here, but if you look from left to right on this main navigation menu, you'll see this is a full-service website. And there's a wealth of background information to support conservation planning. As you move to the right under Focus and Plan, you can follow a step-by-step primer on identifying priority places. And then as you continue moving to right, you can see you're getting more involved. You're taking action. And under Connect and Share, number 3, you can find a land trust working in your region. So under Find the Land Trust, you can jump to your state. I'm going to jump to Florida. Whoops, I tried to jump to Florida, but I jumped right to Georgia, so that's fine. North American Land Trust. You can learn more about conservation programs and partners working in your state. I'm just going to jump back to the home page. There's a quick gadget to go straight to your state from most of the pages in the site, so I'm going to go to Colorado. And here you'll see an example of what we call a state sub-site. So there's a little mini site within LandScope America for each state, and another navigation scheme to really focus in on what are the resources and partners in this state. So if I look under Programs and Resources, here's one example, the Great Outdoors GoCo, which is a funding initiative in Colorado to protect open space. So that's number 4. Number 5, you can explore the map. That's a pretty exciting part of the website. And if you want to know, for the technologists in the audience, the back end here is ArcGIS Server. It's the Flex API. And let me give a shout out to Blue Raster, who are our partners in developing the map viewer. I think they are in the room. So on the map viewer, you can zoom to your neck of the woods. Let me just go to San Diego. You can turn on different base maps, and this is using Microsoft Virtual Earth, or I think they're calling it Bing now. So you could switch to satellite, and then also explore all kinds of custom data. For that, I'm going to jump back out to the U.S. So you'll see up here a number of custom data sets. I'll just quickly show you the main ones. We've got a wealth of over 100 data sets in this custom map themes under these topics: protected areas, conservation priorities, threats, plants and animals, and ecosystems.
This is data that's never been aggregated in one place to serve this community before, so we're really excited about this.
We've selected a few layers to highlight under each of those themes, but you can go crazy and mix and match and explore even more by going under Customize Theme. And if I jump back to protected areas, another thing you can do under Map Key and Credits, you can find out more about who provided this data. The legend is here, so it explains the polygons you're looking at, and you can click on the name of the data set, and that takes you to a metadata page. And let me go back to the map, and let me jump in a little further, show you some more. I go to Colorado. You wonder what these icons on the map are. Those are media, and on the right rail you'll see we're featuring photos, videos, and articles that are tagged to place, so you can really explore. You can read an article like this. I'm going to run out of time. To save And I just want to show you the photo viewer because that's pretty magnificent. And then I think I'll be out. So I didn't even get to show you too much with the map data. You can identify polygons and you can really explore, but I got through about 8 of my topics. All right.
Thanks.